Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a wonderful beauty kit that you can take with you while traveling. It consists of a facial mist with homemade floral water. The facial mist will keep the skin hydrated and will protect the skin from sun damage and pollution. The second recipe is gentle facial cleansing wipes. When we're traveling, it'll be hard to cleanse our face, and these wipes will make cleansing very easy. Most of the cleansing wipes that we get in the markets leaves a soapy layer on the skin. These facial wipes will not do that. The final recipe is a perfume. Like everyone else, I love perfumes. Good perfumes that are not filled with synthetic ingredients are very expensive, but we can easily make them at home. You'll be surprised how easy it is to make your own perfume. I make them with essential oils that I have at home. For making floral water, collect a handful of fresh flowers that you have at home. I collected pink ixora flowers that we have in our garden. Now take the flowers in a white pot. Place a small bowl in the middle to collect the floral water. Try to place the bowl over a small cup so it is slightly above the flowers. Now pour water over the flowers till they are slightly submerged. Now switch on the flame. Finally, place the lid upside down so that the handle is right over the bowl. Place few ice cubes on top so that when the steam hits the cold lid, it will condense and drip into the bowl. Boil for 12 to 15 minutes on low flame and make sure to place some more ice cubes once the lid gets hot. After 15 minutes, switch off and remove the lid. Your floral water is ready. Wait for it to cool down completely before using. To make the floral mist, take quarter cup of floral water in a cup. Add in a teaspoon of aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume. Now mix well with a spoon. I have used store-bought gel as it has a longer shelf life. But if you're just going out for a day, you can use fresh aloe vera gel too. Now pour this in a small spray bottle and take it with you while traveling. Spray your face with this floral mist often and it will keep your skin hydrated. And it will also protect the skin from sun damage very effectively. You can store the leftover floral water in the fridge. It will last well for about 2 weeks or more. You can also add few drops of essential oil to make it smell good. I have used ixora flowers, but you can use any fresh flowers like rose petals, jasmine, etc. Just make sure to use fresh flowers. Make the floral water beforehand, and when you're going out, take some in a bottle mixed with aloe vera gel. To make the perfume, take a tablespoon of vodka in a bowl. Add in 10 drops of Vetiver essential oil, 20 drops of lavender essential oil, and 15 drops of lemongrass essential oil. Now mix well with a spoon. Once mixed well, pour into a glass spray bottle immediately. When we're mixing the essential oils, we have to pick from base, middle and high notes so the perfume lasts for a long time. In this recipe, I have exactly done that. If you're interested, I leave the list of high, base and middle note essential oils so you can make your own blend. But if you have just one single essential oil and don't want to make a blend, you can make the perfume with single essential oil too. But make sure to use 12 to 15% of essential oil for this recipe. To make the facial wipes, take 2 to 3 soap nuts in a mortar and pestle and pound to break the nuts. Now remove the inner seeds. Now take the pounded soap nuts along with half cup of water and boil till it reduces to quarter cup. If you have the time, try to soak the soap nuts overnight. It will help soap nuts release the saponins fast. Now switch off, let cool and strain. Take quarter cup of soap nut water in a bowl. Add in half teaspoon of vegetable glycerin to it. Try to use vegetable glycerin over synthetic glycerin. Now mix well till both the glycerin and soap nut water are mixed well together. Take the required amount of facial wipes in a bowl. Now pour over the prepared soap nut water. Try to use facial wipes for this recipe. If you're using tissue paper, it will get very soggy and tear. I have used plain facial wipes here, but it is very hard to get plain facial wipes. So use compressed facial wipes for this. And I'll leave the online link for buying it in the description box below. Squeeze out excess water and take it in a box while traveling. It will last well for 2 to 3 days. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.